Everyone has a wish to own their dream home, but no one wants to make 30 years worth of mortgage payments. Imagine owning your dream home with no mortgage, maybe in as little as 5 years, instead of a 30-year death sentence. I'm also saving this client over $400,000 in interest, and I did this with one strategy. We're not talking about bi-weekly payments or shopping around for the lowest interest rate. We're talking about using the First Lien HELOC. As a mortgage lender for almost 20 years, this is hands down the best mortgage strategy that exists today, and I wish I would have known this strategy when I got into the business. If you're looking to beat the bank and save money and pay your home off faster, make sure to save this video so you can come back and rewatch this and follow me for more tips as I show you examples of how we help people every single day beat the bank. Instead of throwing your money into your mortgage and you can't touch it through a refinance or a HELOC, use this strategy to keep yourself more liquid, giving you access to capital at all times. Every time you make a deposit into the HELOC, you are effectively lowering the loan balance, which then lowers the amount of interest you're paying on your mortgage. Let me show you how this works. So this client owes $385,000 on their mortgage. Their house is worth about $430,000. They currently have a 6.99% interest rate, and they've been in their mortgage now for about 1 year. Their estimated take-home pay is about $14,000 a month. They've got $50,000 in a checking account. We're going to reallocate that money into the line of credit to help pay the mortgage down quicker, saving us money on interest. You don't have to make an extra deposit into the HELOC. This is something totally optional. Basically, you want to just look at the dead money you have laying around. In this case, money in a checking account. It's earning us no interest. We're going to move that money to the line of credit to pay the house off faster. Because we use our HELOC as our checking account, $14,000 goes in, we cover all of our bills and expenses, and at the end of the month, they've got about $4,100 left over. Here's our current payoff, 29 years. We're gonna refinance that same $385,000 balance, pay the home off in 5.2 years, saving them $435,000 in interest. The average interest rate on this HELOC, 8.3% that we're using to model this scenario out. But remember, as you make your deposits, you lower your balance, which lowers your interest. So you're only paying $78,000 of interest on this mortgage, which is the equivalent of having an effective APR on your home of 1.2%. This is the true interest rate of what you're paying back. Here's what's crazy. You can see here your traditional mortgage balance is here in green. This is how long you would take to pay off that $400,000 balance, 30 years. Here's our black line. This is our HELOC product. This is how fast we're paying down the mortgage compared to your traditional loan. This is how much interest the banks are throwing on us on our mortgages. And you can see here, at the end of the 62 months, we have no mortgage. We have a $385,000 line of credit. If they stayed in their current loan, they would have only paid down $25,000, still owing $359,000 on